This is so hard. For real. めっちゃ頑丈って自分の手震えてのけんだけど。Oh no! 攻めき無理だった。一瞬で触れること言ってない。Oh yeah, go on! びっくりしたわ。Yay! No! Oh my god, Felix, I got it! I got it! Yay! Here's my fish. Fresh melon. It's actually really crispy and like really soft. Because I remember hearing people say that the bread is really dry. Actually, I think it's really good. Can you play? Wow! Oh. Very good. This is not high fashion. Follow. We are going to eat omakase today.
Boring.
Let's see your cup of choice.
He said less choice.
What about you?
He said more choice.
Medium packet Japanese name Chutoro.
That's so good. This is I am currently in Loft on the second floor, cosmetics floor, and I don't know how long it's been, but I'm pretty sure it's been over 30 minutes and I've only gone through half of the cosmetics floor. Loft and Cosme are definitely your go-to places to go for like cosmetics, skincare. Even if you go to Cosme and you come to Loft, like there's still so much more to look at because I've been to Cosme like so many times, but I feel like they have even more stuff here. I have my little basket of goodies, so let's keep shopping. I just found this hand cream and the scent is jasmine music. Oh my god, it smells so good. Obviously it has that jasmine smell, but there's something like additional to the scent that just makes it smell so clean and like so calm. I think I'm gonna get this. This brand is called Afterglow, and also the packaging of this box is so cute as well. Could make a really good gift, but yeah, jasmine music. If you guys are in Japan and are at Loft, definitely come smell this and let me know if you like it too, because I think it smells so good. Oh my gosh, you guys, they literally have everything here, like exercise things. Oh, they have the nail clippers. Ooh, phone related things, tech related things, umbrellas. So many umbrellas. Oh my gosh, this is like too pretty for an umbrella. I would not use this in Sydney because no one gives a shit about the rain in Sydney. I could probably spend like a good 3-4 hours here. Like there's just so much to look at. They have bags, travel goods. Oh my gosh. So we are at Ippudo, which is my favorite ramen restaurant in Japan. And I want to introduce everyone to this, which is moyashi. It's spicy bean sprouts. What's really nice about this is you can actually get like free refills. So you can just eat however much you want. Let's try it. Yay! You take these side bowls, plates. You take this and you disperse it evenly. Don't be stingy, you know? Everyone should have a big dollop of bean sprouts. すいません。あともやしをお願いします。
Why is she cousin?
What?
Scooped it all out.
No, you're allowed to have this much.
Scooper?
You're allowed.
I'm gonna eat the whole restaurant's worth of bean sprouts.
Yeah, you can do that. Let's try it.
Okay.
Everyone?
Yes.
The best dish on earth. Maybe I hyped it up too much.
That's pretty spicy.
Oh, really? I miss this. Ooh, yum. Okay, let's see yours.
It's the same, mate.
And I got Shiromaru, my favorite. Gyoza. I really recommend their gyoza here. I think it's just so crispy and juicy. Alright, so this is how you eat your Ippudo ramen. You have to use this sesame seed grinder. Did you know that?
No.
No?
No.
So you grind this, and this makes your ramen more fragrant. This is part of the Ippudo culture. See, Linda's doing it because she respects the Ippudo culture. What the fuck are you doing? What are you doing? No, you hold it like this.
Oh.
So I also love putting pepper in my ramen because I just think it gives it more of like a kick and makes it less fatty. That's how you make your perfect Ippudo ramen.
the Sydney one better.
What the hell? Really? Or what about you?
Never had this before.
Just wait till you try the one in Sydney. In Westfield.
You can customize the hardness of your noodle. So I recommend getting al dente because once it starts to soak in your soup, it gets kind of soggy.
I think the Sydney one has more yummy power.
So what do you mean by yummy power?
It's like how yummy it is. Like, yummy. This
But
one
this
is,
one is.
it's like more spicy.
Well, I think that's because you literally got a spicy noodle.
Oh, but I got that one in Sydney too.
Like this one?
Yeah, the karakamen.
Okay. This is everything that I could ever need. I don't really like sour coffee, but it says that it has a soft and gentle fragrance similar to cinnamon with a smooth syrupy-like sweetness and a round mouthfeel. This sounds nice. I'm ready to try this coffee that we waited so long for. I actually prefer the blue bottle coffee more than this, to be honest. But I guess what's nice about this is that you have so many different types of blends to choose from. So you can really, if you really know what you want, you can like customize the coffee to whatever you like. But I don't know too much about coffee, so I don't know if I picked the right one for me, to be honest. I just know I like blue bottle coffee. It's a nice experience.